the town that forgot time. Have you ever wondered what would happen if one morning your clock stopped, but the world outside kept moving? This is the story of Lahar's forgotten town. Noshari Zaman, the place that once lost time itself. In the heart of the town lived a clever girl named Aisha. She was known for her punctuality, always waking up early, always reminding others, time is the only thing we cannot get back. But one morning, Aisha woke up to silence. No birds, no vendors calling out, no sound of the mosque's azan. She looked at her clock. 6 a.m. She blinked, rubbed her eyes. Still 6 a.m. Hours passed, but the hands never moved. Outside, people wandered, confused. Shops were open. Children were running, but everyone's watches were stopped. The sun stayed frozen in the sky. The town had slipped into a timeless trap. At first, people celebrated. No school today. Children cheered. No deadlines. Shopkeepers laughed. But by evening, fear spread. Crops stopped growing. Shadows didn't move. Babies wouldn't sleep. Without time, life began to rot. Some said it was a curse. Others blamed the old abandoned clock tower at the edge of town. Aisha's grandmother whispered that clock tower was built by travelers from another age. If it ever stops, time will stop with it. Curious and brave, Aisha decided to find the truth. With her best friend Bilal, she set out toward the broken tower, a place no child dared go. The path was eerie. Trees didn't sway, rivers didn't flow. Even the wind was stuck mid-breath. When they reached the tower, they saw its giant clock hands frozen, pointing at midnight. And then they heard it, a whisper, deep and cold. You want time back? Then give me what I lost. From the darkness stepped out a figure cloaked in silver mist, the keeper of time. His eyes glowed like hourglasses, sands dripping inside them. He said, long ago, your people wasted time, treated it like dirt, laughed at those who valued it, so I took it away. Aisha gathered courage, but without time, nothing grows, nothing changes. Please give it back. The keeper leaned closer. Time is not free. To return it, someone must sacrifice their own share. Bilal panicked. He means someone must give up their life years. The children returned to the town and told the people. Fear spread like fire. Nobody wanted to sacrifice. Some shouted, let the old ones give their. Others cried, take from the children. They have more to spare. The town divided, selfishness spilling out. But Aisha stood tall and declared, I will give my years, because time is meant to be used for others, not kept for myself. The village fell silent. Back at the tower, Aisha stood before the keeper. He raised his hand, and a glowing hourglass appeared. Inside it, golden sand shimmered. This is your life, he said. How many years will you give? Aisha whispered. As many as it takes. The sand began to pour. Her body weakened. Bilal screamed, stop! Don't take all of it! At that moment, something unexpected happened. The keeper froze the hourglass and said softly, bravery was the price, not your life. The clock tower's hands moved again. The sun shifted, shadows stretched, birds flew. The azan echoed through the air. Time had returned. The townsfolk wept with relief. Crops began to grow again, children fell asleep, and life pulsed back into motion. And from that day, the people of No-Sharizaman treated every minute as sacred. They rebuilt the tower, carved into it a message: time is a gift, not a toy. So, whenever you feel like wasting hours doing nothing, remember Aisha's choice, because in truth, time never stops. It only asks you one question.